the most dangerous form of body language is eye contact. When two people make constant eye contact, an invisible energy stream is created between the two people, which causes the walls that normally separate them to disappear. Some people may think eye contact is a spiritual practice. However, I assure you that all people can get better at eye contact, even if the feelings they experience differ from one person to another. Eye contact creates a bond. A recent study revealed that direct eye contact can create a bond between two people, even when it comes from a stranger. The researchers note that study volunteers tested the effect of a feeling of being included or a feeling of being ignored and excluded. Getting your audience to feel you since you introduce yourself may make the difference between being interested in what you have to say or completely disconnected from you. Think of eye contact, too, as a way to get the attention of others. Makes a good impression or not. The impressions associated with avoiding to make eye contact are very negative. The person may appear to you suspicious, unreliable, and unwelcoming. Why is that? Studies suggest that this anxious social behavior comes from the natural instinct to fight or run. When you avoid eye contact, this tells people that you are terrified and that at any moment you can run towards the door without taking responsibilities. It really is a conversation. The conversation should be a dialogue between two people rather than a long internal dialogue. If you are interested in the person you are talking to, their answers become important to you. This can be measured by many factors, and one of them is facial expression. When you look directly at the other person, you deal with the information back from them as if they were important to you. The more you have such dialogues during a discussion, the more you will build a connection and the better you can determine what you can infer from it and understand the exchange between you. Also, people should feel comfortable looking at each other. Open your eyes after your mind has calmed down and start looking into each other's eyes. Generally, your eyes will focus more on the left or right eye. Choose the side you want. Over time, you will notice a change in colors or shapes around the way you see the other person. Don't focus on this. The environment around you will begin to become disoriented and things will generally follow from here. Again, this depends on the intention you started with. Note that it is essential to be open to the way things are going because not all people will have the same outcome. Whether you do it alone or with a partner, results are best when it lasts at least 5 minutes. Do you have difficulties making eye contact with others? Share your experience in the comments and subscribe to learn how to be a better version of yourself.